quick video tip to show you something that I've noticed that's new on LinkedIn today. So when you reach out to connect with somebody on LinkedIn, so Debbie and I are in a group together and I've just sent her a connection request. And now that it's pending, below Debbie, it says, people you may know, similar to Debbie. So who are these people? Let's have a look at them. And they're people that I'm not connected with yet. So I'll just click on see now or see all and see who these people are. So are they people who I would be interested in connecting with? Yes, I think so. So let's pick somebody. Well, there's Lindsay. Why aren't Lindsay and I should be connected anyway because we are friends. So let me just click on how you connect with somebody is always personalize your connection request. So if we click on connect, add a note, hi Lindsay, and if you don't know the person, you have a look at their profile and see if there's something you have in common to connect with them. But I do know Lindsay, so I'm just going to do this. Hi Lindsay, let's connect, here on LinkedIn. And then because Lindsay knows me, I'll just end it like that and click send invitation. So now it says pending, and look below, it now says people you may know similar to Lindsay. So are these other people who I would be interested in? So let's have a look at Rachel. So Rachel is Director of Business Development at Visit Belfast. We both worked at BT. We have mutual connections here. Let's click on see communications, advertising and marketing, digital marketing, Is there anything in her activity that I can comment on? So let's click on see all and we'll click on posts. Now you'll see that Rachel does not have an image here, and that's probably from the settings on her profile. So if we click on posts and see, so she shared some Northern Ireland screen. Okay, so that's something that was interesting. I thought Belfast is ranked in top 10 cities, and so this is great. Great news for Belfast. So now what I'm going to do is send Rachel a connection request. Connect, add a note. Hi Rachel, I'd like to connect with you here on LinkedIn. Loved that post about the tech cities of the future. Okay. Check your spelling. I use Grammarly, so I can always check my spelling. And then click Louise and send invitation. There we go, and off it goes, connecting. Really wants me to connect with Alistair Hamilton, apparently. And that's how you can build a network of people who you are interested in connecting with or have something in common with, or LinkedIn feels that we have something in common. This bit down here, people also viewed, you can turn that off in your profile if you want, but it's interesting to see who these people are. So let's have a look. So there are lots of people who are working in marketing in Ireland and Northern Ireland. And then you can just go down a rabbit hole and fill your network full of people who are relevant and interesting to you. Okay, if you have any questions about this, please do pop them below. Let me know and I will do my best to answer them. And if we're not connected on LinkedIn already, please come and connect with me. It's linkedin.com/in/Louise Brogan. And if you are looking for a bit more help and support with your LinkedIn, then why not consider joining my LinkedIn Learners Lab, which is my membership full of training on LinkedIn. And we have 2 monthly Q&A calls every single month where I can help answer your questions live on a Zoom call. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please do leave a comment below. Thank you.